The following is a statewide monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Missouri State Highway Patrol in Jefferson City and coordinated with the local broadcasters in your community. This is only a test.
America. Real steel. Find yours.
Come take a closer look at the 55th Annual Rock, Gym, and Mineral Show. Bring the whole family and experience the wonder of it all. The first 600 kids will receive a free rock identification kit. The 55th Annual Rock, Gym, and Mineral Show, October 22nd and 23rd. We've got it all.
So, what's this little number called?
The grinding key.
Come on.